Hello friends, I'm Sanika and welcome to Artistic Measures. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw design for elementary exam. Let's start by drawing the borders. Mark the points at 2 centimeters. Now, use the paper to draw straight lines. This trick can be used in the exam where ruler is not allowed. This is another trick which can be used to draw straight borders. You can make a paper ruler like this before the exam. Now, draw diagonal lines to find out the center of the page. I am going to draw a circle having 8 cm radius, but any shape with any measurements can be given in the exam, so read the instructions carefully before drawing it. Now, before starting the final drawing, prepare 2 to 3 rough sketches with the given elements. You must include all the given elements in the drawing and you cannot add any extra elements. The elements should be placed creatively in the given shape. Don't spend more than 5 minutes on rough sketches. All the elements should be placed evenly. Small and large empty spaces should be avoided. Add the lines after placing all other elements to fill empty spaces and balance the drawing. Choose the most suitable sketch for the final drawing. Here, I will select the first sketch. Now I am drawing the circle first with the compass. Here I am not using the ruler or any instrument, but you can use them in the exam to draw the elements. So, I have finished drawing the circle and two triangles. Now I am drawing the square. As you can see in the sketch, the flower is here. But in the final drawing, you can see more empty space here. Hence, I am changing the position of the flower. By making some changes, I am balancing the drawing. For example, here I am connecting the flower and the main circle to avoid small space. After making some more changes, lastly I am adding the straight and curved lines. At the end, correct your mistake and focus on detail to further enhance the drawing. Finally, our drawing is complete. Please watch our second video to learn about coloring the design. Thank you for watching and please like, share and subscribe to support the channel.